slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Time. Love was a melody we played in perfect keys. Now it's a discord, a symphony of displease. Every sad note a reminder of your face. In this hardstyle love song, there's no happy embrace. Broken dreams, shattered heart. Whiskey on the floor, melodies of heartbreak echoing through the door. Lost love, empty nights, silence in the air. Every note I sing, a cry of pain I share. Tangled emotions, like a tune that never ends. Memories replayed, sorrow never mends. Melodic heartbreak, a haunting serenade. Searching for solace in every note I play. shadows all alone. Silent tears falling, heart turned to stone, whispers of love echo in my mind. Faded memories, a love left behind, searching for solace in the depths of despair. Torn apart, emotions too much to bear. Aching heart, like a fragile glass. Shattered dreams, now only remnants of the past. I'll sing my sorrow in every note I play. Aching melodies carry me away. In the silence, my pain I release. Through the beauty of silence, I'll find my peace. In the moonlight, my heart starts to ache, lost in the echoes of love I can't shake. Every night I'm haunted by the love we shared, but now you're gone, and I'm left feeling bare. I walk these empty streets, trying to move on, but everywhere I look, memories of you are drawn. The dance hall melodies we used to sway to, now they're just a reminder of the love we once knew. Tears fall like raindrops as I strum my guitar. The acoustic chords echo in my heartache so far. I'm singing these Texas blues, trying to heal my soul, but every note I play just reminds me of you, taking its toll. Darkness of my room, I sit alone, tears falling heavy, my heart turning stone. Thought we had a love like no other before, but now it's gone, shattered on the floor. Every note on the piano just a reminder song.